Okay, so this is a law of attraction secret that honestly works so well. Start with a square box in the middle of the page, and we're going to draw a number 1, a number 2, 3, and 4 at each of the corners. After we do that, we're going to go ahead and write our intention that we want to manifest. In this case, we're going to do a money example. I now received $10,000, and you could do this for any area of life, of course, easily. Second, we're going to go to our end scene. And the end scene is what you're going to see in your imagination as if it's actually real and if you had it now. In this case, we're going to see our bank account increased in our imagination. And by doing so, we'll see ourselves in possession of it already. Number 3 is feeling, and we need to feel it to be true today, and that's going to be our golden key. The feeling I would have as if I had an extra $10,000 would be excited. I'd feel super excited as if that was real. Step number 4 is let and allow. And when we let and allow, essentially, we are allowing the universe to bring to us the desire that we want. So in this case, we're going to get out of our own way of thinking too much, and we're going to think about gratitude. That will allow us to be more thankful and in that frequency and in that energy. Okay. The directions are, so we're going to go to the middle of the square, repeat these 4 steps for 3 days straight. And we're going to do it 3 times per day, which should ultimately take about 1 to 2 minutes per session. So ultimately what you're going to do is write down your present tense statement. You're going to start visualizing your bank account increase by $10,000. You're going to feel it to be true by feeling the excitement now, even before you've received the money physically. Then you're going to focus on gratitude or being thankful for everything you do have now as much of the day as possible for the next 3 days. So don't focus on how you're going to get the money, focus on the gratitude. Repeat this for the same exact intention for the next 3 days, 3 times per day, which will total 1 to 2 minutes of exercise. What we're really doing here is something that I like to call, and the scientific community calls, parallel reality. And basically what a parallel reality is, there's a reality and a version of you that has already received that $10,000 this week or this month. And we need to sink into that identity of the person who has received that $10,000 in their bank account, who's already felt excited and is already thankful for the things they have and the things that are coming into their life. If we do that, we're going to sink into a parallel reality or a version of self that already has the $10,000 in its possession. If we start to feel all this, we start to see it in our mind, we'll become that version of us, and we will ultimately manifest and attract it into our life. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and put some check marks to keep yourself accountable. So day 1, put a check mark. Day 2, put a check mark. Day 3, put a check mark. And of course, keep track of how many sessions you do. So with that, you're going to put a plus, plus, plus if you've done 3 sessions, plus, plus, plus for 3 sessions, and plus, plus, plus for 3 sessions. Once that's complete, you're going to go ahead and circle your intention. I like to use a highlighter, and you're going to go ahead and put a star that you've completed it. Then you can move on with your life. Don't wait for it. Move on to your next desire and your next intention. That will really help out tremendously in you moving forward. And make sure you like and subscribe for more, because we're going to go through more tutorials like this constantly on our channel, which will really ultimately bring you all the desires, all the goodness, all the flow into your life that you're looking for. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more.